Mason! 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 Hello! Are you going to get in that water? Brady! Hello, Greta. Hello, Greta. Where's Jackson hiding? Where is he? Over there.
Hey, Shirley, what you trying to do?
Kick out all the water. Brady.
Sit down. You're so
Hi, Theo. I don't want to wear all that water that's on you, okay? Ziva! Bethlyn. It's the grass eating convention over here. Hi, Broccoli. Are you trying to swim? You're not going anywhere. Millie, what are you doing hiding underneath there? Millie, Millie! Millie! You gonna get in, Zeev? Go ahead. I saw a paw in there. Brady! Brady! Oh, you got in, Neo? You gonna get in with him, Lex? Go ahead. Xander. Broccoli. You don't want nothing to do with the water, buddy? You're supposed to get in there and swim, Mason. Not drink it. Come here. You're all wet, but I didn't see you get in there. Hi, Jackson.